Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove green screen in CapCut on desktop. So let's say that I want to add a subscribe button with a green screen to my footage that you see on the screen currently. Let's click on the play button. And we see that now the subscribe button takes the whole screen of the footage. So we need to remove the green screen now. And to do that, first you need to select the footage that has green screen. And then on the right hand side of the CapCut editor, you see a couple of options here. You need to select the cutout tab, and then you need to activate the chroma key option here by clicking on this checkbox. And now you need to select the color with the color picker here. Since we want to get rid of green, you need to select the green color. And now we have two options, strength and shadow. If you increase the strength slowly, we see that the green screen disappears. You don't have to increase it to full, but just a little bit I think works fine. If necessary, you can also add some shadow effect, but currently it looks good. The final thing we want to do is to make the subscribe animation smaller like this. And next we need to drag it to somewhere here, for example. And now if I play it again, so this time we see that the green screen is removed and the animation looks much better. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and see you guys in the next video.